Good afternoon. It's time for some more baking. Today we are going to be making chocolate Scotch eggs. Yes, chocolate Scotch eggs using Cadbury cream eggs. Easter is just around the corner after all. Well, that's enough hobnobbing. Let's get to it, shall we? The first thing we're going to need to do is to make a brownie mix. For that, we have 200 grams of salted butter, 200 grams of dark chocolate, 250 grams of sugar, 25 grams of cocoa powder, 4 eggs, and 100 grams of plain flour. We're also going to need 3 tablespoons of buttercream. That's for later. This is 3 tablespoons of butter, 3 tablespoons of icing sugar, and a few drops of vanilla extract, just for fun. And of course some Cadbury cream eggs. The first thing we are going to do is to melt together the butter and the dark chocolates. I'm going to pop them into the microwave, but you could do it over a pan of boiling water. It's really up to you. I find the microwave far more convenient. There we go. That's beautifully melted together. Smells absolutely delightful, I must say. I'm tempted to have some, but I'm going to resist. Right, we're going to set that aside, and next we are going to combine the eggs and the sugar. And we're going to beat them together until they are nice and pale and creamy. This would be easier with an electric mixer, of course, but I do love a wooden spoon. There we go. It's nice and creamy. That was hard work. My arm's aching now. Right, next we're going to pour in our butter and chocolate mix. We're going to gently fold that in. We don't want to lose all of the air we just put into the eggs. Next, we are going to go in with our plain flour. And our cocoa powder. And gently fold them in. Again, try not to knock out that air we got in there. There we go, that ought to do it. Next, we're going to transfer our mixture to an 8-inch square tin, greased and lined with baking paper. Here's one I prepared earlier. Next, we're going to pop this into the oven at 180 for 25 to 30 minutes. There we go, fresh out of the oven. Now we need to wait for this to fully cool down, and then we can move to the next stage. The brownies are now fully cooled down. I've divided them up, and we have 500 grams in this bowl. 500 grams of brownies. Next, we're going to use a wooden spoon to break them up. We're going to add in our buttercream a bit at a time. We may not need all of it. It really depends on the brownie. We just want to get a nice pliable texture. Bit more buttercream. Want to get that all fully incorporated. You could of course use chocolate buttercream. I just wanted to use vanilla. There we go. That's the texture we're looking for. We don't want it to be too wet. You don't want it too crumbly or too wet. Now we are going to take handfuls of our chocolate brownie mixture, flatten it out, and then wrap it around our chilled Cadbury cream egg. You can use any egg you like. And now we are going to roll it in chocolate sprinkles. Did I mention you need chocolate sprinkles? Because you do. We are now going to repeat this process until we have used up everything. Now we are going to chill these in the refrigerator for 30 minutes. And here is the end result. Time for the taste test. Oh wow, those are rather splendid. Yes, very nice indeed. They're incredibly rich, but extremely nice. I highly recommend them. Give them a go, treat stuff. It is Easter after all. Well, I do hope you enjoyed this video. Until next time, cheerio.